is a story all about how I made Twitch affiliate the second time around. Mind you, this is not going to be a video about Twitch affiliate payout. If you want to know more about that, check out the card above. Let's get this out of the way first. I started a second channel called Goed Gemutst. Don't try and hurt yourself pronouncing that. Your immediate impression might be that this video has little to offer to you then, as you yourself don't have an active channel yet and you can't really replicate this video. I hear you, and even though my first channel was not insignificant in reaching affiliate status, I learned a lot of things in that first channel, concrete things that might be able to help you too. Let's start off with what you need for Twitch affiliate. You need a Trui viewer average, you need to stream for at least 7 days, a total of 8 hours, and you have to have 50 followers. At a first glance this might look like not that much, but if you don't have any experience and you have never streamed before, this could be really tough. The first time around in 2017, it took me 2.5 months to get Twitch affiliate. However, this time around, it took less than 2 weeks. Right off the bat, we were looking for a good name and we checked its availability. I know a lot of streamers who just pick the username they've been running with for ages and kind of come to regret it because it's either silly or it doesn't fit their brand very well. We checked our name not only on Twitch, but also on Twitter. So if you have the chance to still pick a name, don't forget to also check other social media you want to use. I created a new Discord server because this was going to be its own thing, being that this channel will be in Dutch, whereas Trui is in English. And with all the basics out of the way, we set ourselves a deadline. From the 1st of January, Goed Gemutst will start streaming. We thought this would be an excellent starting date, because even if people didn't write it down, the 1st of January would be really easy to remember. To celebrate the grand opening, we wanted to reward early viewers and create some incentives for people. A giveaway! 3 months of Nintendo Online to whoever was lucky enough to be blessed by RNGesus. With 2 months on the clock, it was time to start build everything we needed. We listed all the designs that had to be made. A scene with just a camera for if you just want to chat with your viewers when you start out or if you want to get intimate with them. A game screen where you properly can see the action and just have a little Trui and Nim hovering at the side. A be right back screen for when you need a quick break or when somebody's at the door. A starting soon screen, an intro, an outro, some transition graphics, and to finish the whole thing up, some cool alerts. Quite a bit of work, and simultaneously we made a promo video. And we put this on social media. I joined up with a podcast and spilled the beans about the plan. And I spoke on Discord about it with my friends. I got the first couple of followers rolling, which was fantastic because the first ones can be a bit tough. I started hanging out more in the chat of other Dutch streamers. Talking a bit and then dropping a follow. Putting in the time to make enough of an impression to make people remember the name. Sometimes we even got compliments on our name. That means we chose well. I've got another video about networking on Twitch, so if you're interested in the subject, I'll leave it in the card above. Amazingly, this was enough to not only get to the 50 followers we needed for Twitch affiliate, but we also got invited to stream on the LAN party. And remind you, we hadn't even been live yet. And with the 1st of January creeping a little closer, I kinda got nervous. Were people even gonna show up? My viewers were totally ungrounded though, because we had an 11 viewer average the 5 hours we streamed. My immediate next worry was, are those people gonna show up the second time around? The second stream we even enjoyed a 13 viewer average, and because we went a little overnight, Twitch counted this as 2 different streaming days. And that counts quite a bit for the 7 days we needed to stream, and at this point, that was the only thing that was holding us back. Casting our name like a fishing lure in the big pound of the internet and seeing what would bite eventually paid off. As on stream 4, somebody was gracious enough to raid us with a party of 17 people. I think we remained a fair few of them by immediately engaging with them. Overall, it was a pretty fun stream, and once again, we went a little bit past midnight, so it counted as 2 streams. By stream 5, we felt like very little could happen to jeopardize our chances to get Twitch affiliate. At midnight, people were finally allowed to drop biddies and subscribe to the channel. I was extremely proud and thankful that we could make this happen so quickly. Looking back, I think I effectively can summarize which most effective methods we have used. First thing is ask your friend to help. There's nothing wrong with asking a friend to help you with achieving your dreams. The second one is make everything look nice. A good looking stream quickly separates you from all the other channels. The third thing is, if you have the chance to interact with chat, make this your primary focus. It's okay if you die in a game, but it's not okay to ignore somebody who just said something in your chat. That is huge, don't ignore them. The fourth and last thing is networking. I believe this was instrumental. It's hard to predict the effects of networking, but continuing the fishing analogy from earlier, you're not gonna catch anything if you don't cast a line. If you don't have already, check out my other videos where I go a little bit more in depth about the things we have been talking about here, including this one, where I talk about how you can talk to yourself on stream when nobody's there. Remember, stream smarter, not harder, and I'll see you there.